Hey guys, I'm snuggled up on my couch ready to read the next portion of Rosie Revere. Before we start, I want to discuss with you guys about um, themes in a story. We all know that our characters usually learn something along the way, they grow and they become better people. So today I want to think about everything Rosie has been through so far, and we're going to ask ourselves this. What has Rosie learned on her journey? What could I learn with Rosie? And what could this mean the theme of the story is? Finding the theme will be a lot easier if you ask yourself what Rosie has learned along the way. You're going to see that at the end of the read aloud, I have put a slide of themes that we have gone over before in class. Your rating task today, you'll be using a graphic organizer to answer what the theme or life lesson of Rosie Revere is. And we're going to use that RACE acronym to help us answer this. You are going to answer your thoughts on the theme or life lesson today that Rosie has learned. Enjoy this portion of Rosie Revere. Bye.